Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with no money. So obviously there's a myth that in order to do affiliate marketing, that it costs money, that you have to have money for Facebook ads and YouTube ads and Google AdWords and, posting and publishing ads on multiple platforms in order to get clicks, in order to get conversions and make money. And that's simply just not true.
Why do I want this?
Yeah.
Because I want to make bank, bro.
I've made thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing with no money. And the primary part of my business right now is running on 100% free traffic, organic traffic from multiple methods. Too many to go into in one video. So in this video, I'm going to focus on one method. I'm going to reveal that to you. So let's jump in. Before we jump into the rest of the video, I want to share something with you. Do you have an online business, or are you struggling to make your first income online? Or are you making money online, but you want to take it to the next level? If you're interested in using the best software tool ever created and bring in 80% reoccurring commissions month after month, then click the first link in the description below. This is a great opportunity and perfect time to get in, not saturated and no one knows about it yet. Okay, let's continue with today's video. All right, so we're here on the YouTube platform, right? So I just went into YouTube. There's all kinds of different places you can go to. Best of YouTube. If you're looking for a niche, I have other different videos on how to find a niche. And if you're interested in that as well, I go really into this in my program. In the description below, you will see a YouTube course that teaches you all about this stuff, the ins and outs of this and how I built this channel. But for purposes of this video, just clicking in here, and I'm in an incognito window. So all this stuff is just what's trending on YouTube right now. This is going to show up for anybody that's like in my, you're going to get politics, you're going to get funny stuff, you're going to get all kinds of business stuff. This is just what's trending. And so what you can do is, depending on what niche you're in, right? So if you are in the make money online niche, or if you are in, pranking, or there's all kinds of different things you can get into. But in this case, I'm just going to use an example of, let's say you know how to do, create woodworking type stuff. You know how to carve wood and build different things with that, or you have wood plans where you like to build things with wood in your hands, and maybe you have a wood shop, right? So what you could do here is you can actually turn that passion and interest or hobby of yours into a money generating affiliate business, and you don't even have to be, into woodworking in order to do that. You can actually pick one of these niches and go for it, even if it's not actually your forte. So for purposes of the video, I'm going to go ahead and type in woodworking. And so you could come up here and you can just start seeing, look at this, there's 19,000 views, best of woodworking right here 2 days ago. So you have all kinds of different channels. You can actually go and start analyzing these channels, right? And I could go into that in another video. I'm not going to show you it in this particular video, but look at all these views, 26,000 views, 1.7 million views. You can even go in here and go to filter just to see, this year, 4 weeks ago, almost 2 million views right here. That is just insane. So this niche is definitely, 8,000 views in one day. So, this is a really, really good niche, a very, very popular, well, maybe not popular, but a lot of interest though, from people that are interested in this and passionate about it. Okay. So what you would do is you can even, if you haven't started a YouTube channel before, you can create one and it's free. There is no money involved. You can create a YouTube channel for free, and you can sign up. And you can even go to Google and type in, if you're confused on how to create a YouTube channel, it's really just linked with your Gmail account and your Google account. It's just one extension from it. Once you create a Google account, technically you just click on these dots over here and you have all these tools that Google gives you. And one of them is YouTube. So you're already going to have your account. It's so simple to sign up, but if you really need, extra help and you want a guide, you just type in create YouTube channel and you can click on the first link and they will walk you through all the steps. You already have a YouTube account and everything. You can click on one of these links and it will literally take you to your channel list. You can create a new YouTube channel. And remember, it's free to create a YouTube channel. So we're going to use YouTube because this is my favorite traffic. You can get people to get to know you. It's warm traffic, so you're not talking to people that are just completely not interested in your stuff. They're finding your stuff through suggested videos, and they're finding your stuff through searching in the box over here. You're either searching for woodworking, or you're clicking on a video here. And when that starts up, then you have all these suggested videos down here. Your videos could show up right here, and people look at all these videos just have to do with woodworking. So that's how it's done, right? You can create this video. It doesn't cost any money. And then you can start getting views and traffic. And look at, they have their own shop right here. They're selling t-shirts. You can go to show more. They've got a link right here, their Patreon page, all their social media, and then these Amazon tools right here. You click on this Amazon, boom. Take this over here. This is free. To be an affiliate with Amazon is free as well. And they're selling this right here. So there's an example. Boom. Then you can come over here to another site. You can go to Clickbank. Now, I'm not going to go make a bunch of Clickbank videos on this channel, but Clickbank is, and I'm not going to put that in the title that this is a Clickbank video, but you can go over here to this site called Clickbank. And then once you sign in, it'll actually look like this. We're going to go in here, and you can actually come in and search by niches over here, or you can just click, you can type in woodworking right here, or you can just click the button over here, the search button with nothing in it. And it's going to give you all the best from gravity levels. And there is a woodworking one down here. Ted's Woodworking, the one that we just looked at, is a really, really great product. It's been out for years, has a great gravity of 229. So that means there's 229 other people selling this product in the last 2 weeks, and they're making sales on it. So it's a great, and then there's also a recurring bill and all that kind of good stuff. So you would just click your promote, and then you would generate hop links, and you'd be on your way. You put that in your YouTube description to sell these plans. So, you would create a YouTube video about how to build something. And then, you can put in your YouTube description, this link right here. Some people will click on it, and then a very small percentage will click on it and go over and buy it. So that's one way. And then also another a great source is a place called Warrior Plus. You can go sign up for a Warrior Plus account. It's free to join as well, right? And then you would sign up, and you can see that I've made over $1,500 in the last 30 days on this platform. And so this month was $1,396 from affiliate commissions. You can sell your own products on this platform as well. And you can so if you just went over to a marketplace and you went to, top products or home, you can do all kinds of different categories, searches, and this will tell you what the top sellers for the day are. Generally speaking, the niches in here are make money online type niche or software related. There are, what's called private label rights and coloring type stuff that is in a lot of different niches, right? So there is still products in here that you can find for almost every niche, but generally speaking, yes, it is more of a make money online. Then you can go over to all kinds of different places if you wanted to. You can also go to Google and just type in, woodworking affiliate programs. So type in your niche. So this one's top 10 woodworking affiliate programs. You can go ahead and click on that and move over here. And then these guys did all the hard work for you. And you can look over here and look, Ted's Woodworking. They're actually putting a warning on that. But there are so many other ones that you can also go with too. So maybe proceed with caution on that one. But you know what? You can the proofs in the pudding. You can see that this product sells a ton. And just go ahead and read about that and see what they say. But this is just an example, and you could put in any kind of, you can change this up with fitness or fitness affiliate programs, all kinds of stuff you can do. And you can come over here, 49 best fitness affiliate programs. So do a little bit of research, right? But the fact is that you can create a YouTube channel for free. You can sign up for Clickbank or Warrior Plus or any of those hundreds of affiliate programs. All you have to do is do a little search on Google and find a legitimate, really good affiliate program, and you can do all of this for free. So there's no excuses to get started with affiliate marketing. It does not cost any money. I hope that broke the myth that many have that it costs money. You can make a lot of money with no ads at all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. video. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on my next video. Until next time, take care.